Well, good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, in the Honda EU2000i, we've done a lot of diagnostic videos. Still a lot more to do. In this one here, we're going to troubleshoot the rectifier, and that is right here on the side where the recoil is. So the pin count goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And the test we're going to do is right on the board for continuity. Obviously, where the squares are 0, you can't pin out on the same pin. So pin number 1 will have continuity with 2, 3, 4. Pin 2 won't have continuity with anything. Pin 3 will have continuity with pin 2. And of course, pin 4 will have continuity with pin 2. And that's how that setup's going to go. Need a multimeter. What I got right here. We're going to set this up and we're going to start testing. Okay, this is very important. In order for this to work, you got to have your negatives and positive work out. So I'm going to use the negative on pin 1. So from pins 2 to 4, I should have continuity. Pin 2 continuity. Pin 3 continuity. Pin 4 continuity. Now, if I flip it around and put the positive on the same pin, you're going to see nothing is working. So you got to make sure that. So negative on pin 2 should have no continuity on any pins, and I indeed don't. Pin number 3 should only have continuity on pin 2. Pin 1 nothing. Pin 2 continuity. Pin 4 nothing. And then pin 4 should only have continuity on pin 2. So on 1 nothing. 2 continuity. 3 is nothing. And that's how simple the test is. Very important to have your positive and negative correct. So there you have it. The rectifier checks out. If you did this test and you still have issues, obviously that's not the problem. And I have pretty much every video uploaded to troubleshoot everything on this. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.